Hi guys, today I will be sharing how to make a no-break dessert called chocolate salami. This dessert is so easy to make and it's perfect for parties to give as present or if you wanna do this for business. So if you want to learn how to make this, just stick around and I'll show you the process and I'll give you the ingredients needed. For the ingredients, we need 1 egg, 1 egg yolk, half a teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1/3 cup or 75 grams of sugar, 2 tablespoons or 15 grams of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of icing sugar, 100 grams of unsalted butter, 200 grams of dark baking chocolate, and this is 1 cup of mixed nuts. I used almonds, flake almonds, pistachio, and hazelnut, or you can use any nuts that you want as long as it's 1 cup. And this is 175 grams of Marie or 25 pieces. Over a double boiler, we're going to melt the butter and the chocolate. Make sure to keep an eye on this and stir occasionally just to make sure that the chocolate don't burn. So once the chocolate is all melted, we will set this aside. Meanwhile, we're going to combine the egg and the egg yolk. Give it a stir. To this, we're going to add the vanilla, the sugar, both the white and the brown sugar. Give it a good stir. Now to this, we're going to add the melted butter and chocolate. Mix this thoroughly. And then we're going to bring this back to the double boiler to continue cooking. What we're looking for is when we touch the mixture and it's hot to the touch and when all the sugar is fully dissolved. It takes about 4 to 5 minutes to do this process. And this is now ready. Now combine the Marie and the cinnamon and finally the nuts. Mix this thoroughly until it is well combined. And then once everything is well combined, just let it sit for about 30 minutes before we proceed to the next step. So for the next step, we're going to form the chocolate salami. So I'm using parchment paper or baking paper. So I'm dividing the dough into 2. Now form the dough into a log or the shape of the salami. Twist the ends. Make sure to compact the dough nicely. Just like this. And then we're going to place this in the fridge for about 3 to 4 hours or until the chocolate salami is solid. So after 4 hours, this is the icing sugar. I'm going to roll the chocolate salami into the icing sugar. Now, the next step is optional. I'm just doing this for the look, just to make it look like a salami. I'm pretty sure there's a lot of tutorial on how to do this. But basically, I'm just tying a knot around the chocolate salami. Again, this is optional. Now you can wrap this with fancy wrapper. And this is the second one. This one I'm going to slice. I actually forgot to press the record button when I slice it, so I will just turn the salami around and use the other part that I haven't cut yet. Cut the chocolate salami to the thickness that you desire. To make the cutting easy, use a serrated knife. And this is the finished product. I hope you give this a try. This chocolate salami is really good. I can guarantee that you're going to love this. And just a close-up look on what it looks like. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you do like and subscribe. I'll see you again next week. Bye.